What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. Samsung has started rolling out an update for one of its important goodlock modules called Routines Plus. Now we all know that Samsung offers modes and routines option on the settings menu, using which we can automate the phone, we can create if and then conditions to execute specific actions. And to complement this, we also have an additional module on goodlock called Routines Plus. And this particular module has got this brand new update. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Let's go to Galaxy Store. Now the latest version is 1.1.23. It says improved touch macro operation for One UI 8.5 and optimized app performance. Now the purpose of this video is not to explain this particular point because it is just an improvement to an existing feature, but I wanted to talk about this touch macro feature and share with you how you can use this feature on your Galaxy phones. A lot of you guys may not be using this powerful feature. Those of you who may be new to Samsung and those of you who have not explored this feature, this video is going to be very useful. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. But before that, let me just show you the update date here. It was received on 12th March. Just a small update, 7.75 MB. Version number is 1.1.23. Now let's go ahead and update the application and then let's open it and check out Touch Macro. And I'll briefly tell you how you can make use of this feature. Now basically, Touch Macro enables you to automatically trigger a series of touches to execute specific actions. You can completely automate your phone. This is a much advanced way of automation. You can automate your phone any way you want. By default, we have got if and then conditions on the modes and routines, but using this Touch Macro, even if you don't have a specific condition, you will be able to create it on your own. Let me go ahead and show you this. Let's tap on Run a Touch Macro. We have got if and then condition. If condition is always start manually. Now here, the then condition, let me tap on this and I'll tap on add. Now it'll ask me to select a specific application. We can create these touches inside a specific app or we can also create it inside settings application. Let me select settings here. I'll tap on settings and tap on next. And now inside settings, I will be able to create a touch macro. Let's say I want to enable a specific settings. I can create those touches, I can create those steps, and the phone will automatically do it for me when I activate it. Let's go ahead and do that. Let me tap on record here. We've got this pop-up. I'll tap on record. It will start recording the touches. Record. Now I'll just swipe up here. Display. Tap on privacy display. And inside privacy display, I just want to enable conditions for turning on. I'll tap on this. That's it. Now I can tap on stop and I can tap on save. I'll just rename this and tap on save and I'll select this touch macro, tap on done. And now I can tap on save here and this touch macro is saved here. This is the touch macro 5. I can tap on that again and tap on more and add to the home screen. This shortcut will be available right on the home screen. Now, whenever I want to activate a specific setting inside privacy display, I don't have to do it manually going through multiple steps. All I can do is just tap on this icon here, touch macro. Look at the magic here. I'll tap on this. It opens the settings, swipes up, taps on the display, taps on privacy display and enables or disables this condition. You can see it just disabled it. And if it is already enabled, next time when you activate this feature, it will disable it. If you have already disabled it, it will enable it. Now it has disabled it, you see. Now I'll do this again. It will go and enable that feature. See, everything is happening automatically with just one tap. All these 3 to 4 steps has been reduced to just one single tap. That is so powerful, right? That is what this feature can do. Touch macro. I think you guys should go ahead and try this out. There are multiple different ways that you can use it. I just gave you one example. If you want to automate any task on any applications, you can easily do that on Touch Macro feature within the Routines Plus module. Go ahead and try it out. Let me know what you think about this feature. While you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. Some premium wallpapers and free wallpapers were added yesterday. Almost every day or 3 or 4 times a week, we keep adding new wallpapers. Do go ahead and check them out. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.